Sometimes I feel like I cannot describe or explain how delicious this peppered turkey sauce is. You just need to taste it, to feel it, to know exactly how delicious it is. If you want to know that, please watch this video to the end. If you're just joining this channel, please click the subscribe button and thank you. So here I'm starting by adding some cooking oil. You can choose whatever oil. And I'm adding some roasted garlic paste. So I'm just going to fry this just for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once I fry this for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, I'm going to add my already cleaned turkey. So for this recipe, you can use chicken as well. You can even use beef or fish. Also, if you do not have roasted garlic paste, you can use regular garlic paste. But you know, that roasted garlic paste takes it to another level you can't just imagine. So if you do have roasted garlic paste, sure, you want to use that. So I'm just going to allow this to cook and fry on medium to low heat so that it doesn't burn out for about few minutes, about 10 minutes thereabout. You know, turkey really doesn't take that long to cook. So while that is cooking, I'm going to get my pepper ready. So here I have some onions, spring onions, jalapeno, bell peppers. So I'm just going to blend all this together. So while I blended my pepper, I'm just going to flip the turkey to the other side so that the other side also cooks for another 7 to 10 minutes. Once that is cooked, you remove it and set aside. Once you set aside, you want to leave all those juiciness in there. You can see those brown particles. That is just the roasted garlic. So here you can reduce the quantity of the oil depending on what you want, and you add your pepper mix. Once you add the pepper mix, you add some seasoning. So at this point, I'm not using salt. I'm going to use salt, add salt at the end of it if I do feel like I need to. But at this point, I'm not adding any salt because the garlic paste that I use already has all those seasoning and all that. So I'm using that roasted garlic paste again. So this roasted garlic paste was an homemade one, so it already has some thyme, it has some olive oil, it has some rosemary leaves as well. So then you add your turkey and you would allow this to cook on medium to low heat for another 7 to 10 minutes. Just so that you can get all the juice in the turkey mixed with the pepper. Let all the juice flow in and mix all together. So with this peppered turkey recipe, You can use it, serve it with rice, with pasta, with bread. You can even have it on its own with a bottle or a cup of chilled juice, however you want it. Like I said earlier, you need to try it, you need to taste it, to feel it, to know exactly how it feels like. So you can see how beautiful that is. And here, after I tasted it, I realized I needed a little bit salt. So I added some salt. So this is looking beautiful and it's ready to eat. I really appreciate you for staying tuned, for watching my videos. If you like any of my videos, if you enjoyed watching this video and you'd really like to create or recreate something like this, please do not forget to share your comments, your thoughts, your ideas, and I would be glad to attend to them. And also, please remember to click the like button. Also, share with friends and families. And if you haven't, do not forget to click that subscribe button. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.